Hospitals in Idaho and throughout the Treasure Valley are viewing the spike in COVID cases with deep concern.
CBS 2's Scott Logan has more on how hospitals are coping.
St. Alphonsus Regional Medical Center in Boise says it is currently able to manage its COVID patient population with plans developed last spring. But as COVID cases grow at an alarming rate statewide, the hospital is ready when needed to launch its emergency surge plans to handle an increase in patients throughout its entire health system.
We're really dialing in the strategy again to be able to provide capacity and care to increasing COVID patient numbers, and again, as well as our normal service lines.
St. Luke's Medical Center in Boise also says it's operating at normal capacities, albeit high, and the Boise Hospital has also taken in pediatric patients from St. Luke's Magic Valley Medical Center, one of the hospitals hardest hit by COVID in the state. I talked to Dr. Joshua Kern in Twin Falls, Vice President of Medical Affairs for St. Luke's Magic Valley.
The numbers continue to be very high. We continue to have 50 plus patients with COVID in the hospital. And just for a reference point, back in September, we were having maybe 10 or even less sometimes patients in the hospital with COVID. So just a dramatic increase through October to now.
Dr. Kern says St. Luke's Magic Valley could be in an even more dire situation depending on what happens in other communities.
If we have a release valve and we're able to keep sending patients up to Boise, which we've been doing, it changes the math equation. But as soon as we are not able to do that, then we're at the truly dire point.
Dr. Kern says he personally wishes Governor Brad Little would issue a statewide mask mandate. But the governor's office today repeated Brad Little's position that decision should remain for local leaders. Scott Logan, CBS 2 News.
Now, the Twin Falls City Council tonight is considering a citywide mask order. We have a reporter at the meeting, and we'll keep you posted on developments there.